Alright, we are here with a video today. This next video is going to be about my AI ad generator tool that I built in Opal. Now, I'm going to talk about ideation, the creation of it, show you, here's the live demo, or what it does live, and then I'm going to vibe code it myself using this example prompt right here. This isn't the exact prompt I used, but it will give a similar, if not the exact same output as this. So without further ado, let's get straight into it with creation. So first thing is, actually let's go over what Opal is. So Opal is an experiment by Google, which is like an application software, but it's all localized because Google has Gemini, it has VO3, it has Nano Banana Pro. It has all of the tools that you need for for any type of content automation you need. They already have stuff like book recs, a video marketer, all that sorts of stuff, and you can make your own. It's really streamlined, and you don't need API keys because everything is localized. So let's get into creation. So first off, obviously it's prompting. With prompting or vibe coding apps, you have to know your inputs, your desired outcome, and the process that you want the agent to take. So inputs is like, I will upload my ICP, I will upload images, and I'll upload this. That's pretty basic, pretty straightforward. Next thing is your desired output. So you say the goal that you want this thing to do, whether it be, 5 captions for UGC ads or 5 images for ads. And then the process is you want to explain to it how to do it. So for like example would be, you first go to a caption generator, Gemini, and then you use that caption, take that caption and based off that caption, create an image in Gemini, Nano Banana, and continue from there. So this is the one that I made. Really, really fucking easy. Really easy. It's a really easy automation to make. I prompted it, user prompts, captions. I have it right here. So what I did was, user will upload files and prompt the agent what to do. So if I were to start it, I'd type in, we're having a 20% off sale for the pre-workout gummies. I'd upload their ICP, I'd upload relevant images, and then the app would automatically create a caption, analyzing the user prompt. It would analyze my ICP to develop a prompt, and then it would also, at the same time, look at the product images that I uploaded from here and put it straight into here and create an image from that. And I've prompted this one to be studio, like quote unquote studio-based albums or studio-based images, just for the sake of simplicity. And here's an example. So what it would do, the output right here, it's simply caption and image. So what would happen is, I plug in all the information, it does it for me, and then the display caption, it does this. So caption, blah, 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 and then blah, 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 and then here's the image right here. And then with Opal, you could download that into a zip and get the individual files out right away. So right now, I have not tested this, but I'm going to use this long prompt right here to make another ad creator, just to show you how easy it is. So we're going to come in here, Control C, Control V, and we'll enter. And I'm going to pause the video here so you don't have to see me. So the agent got done with it. So this is a little bit different. My caption was way more different, but it still did the same thing. So with this, you had to upload a few more things. So I'm going to test it. So provide details about your product. I'll just upload some documents real quick, ICPs and stuff like that. Open, submit that. Same documents for ICPs. Boom, bam, bam, bop, go. send that. Upload an image. So let's just copy, I don't know, let's copy one of these images that I've already made with Gemini, or with Nano Banana. Acceptable level of controversy. I'll just tell it be as controversial as I want. As you want. Boom. And then the last thing is the core message ad should convey. Let's say this one, inform people about the product. Inform people about the pre-workout non-stim product. Boom. And we click enter, and it does the whole thing. Now we just have to wait. The output can be a bit different. Like this whole thing will turn it into a very like nice format. I think we could still head over to app, so it's working right now, and it will show you what it will look like right here. It's generating the HTML. Thinking. And here you go. Boom. So it creates this app. And this whole thing can be downloaded into a zip file, or this is HTML, which is kind of different. I would personally, like if I was in the editor, I'd go back to this and I'd simply just want it to give me the regular output. So I'd head to this step and I'd just delete all of this prompting and just have add caption, and then add image. But as you can see right here, it built some copy, it took the image, and then it made a little advert for everything right here. So this is just a little bit of what you can do with Opal. I have experimented with it a lot, and honestly, this is a really good output compared to like other stuff that I've vibe coded. I suggest you test it out. It's still in its experiment phase, so there's still a lot that can be done with it. I suggest you go and learn it. It's a new tool. It's Google. You don't need API keys, and you don't need to pay, not yet at least. So go check it out, and yeah, peace.